Do you ever feel like all the effort you put into kicking is just wasted? Both because you're not getting anywhere and it's making you really tired.
In swimming, less is more. And when I mean less, I mean way less is way more.
Does that only apply to swimming? So let's break down exactly what that means. One of the most common issues that brand new swimmers make is they're kicking way too hard. And your legs are big muscles. I mean, I'm maybe not a good representation of that, but it's a big muscle group, which means it's taking a lot of oxygen and making you really tired and making you fatigue really fast.
If you're a new swimmer, it might feel like you're struggling in the water. So the idea of doing less seems strange.
Because not only will you be more efficient in your movements, you're gonna be way less tired, and that pays for itself over and over again in the water, because that means you're safer and you can swim longer distances with ease.
So enough of all that talking, and let's get in the pool and show you what we're actually talking about.
Notice how it doesn't matter how hard I'm kicking. I'm not going anywhere. So now, instead of focusing on a lot of output, let's just focus on relaxing as much as possible.
So I know that we're just starting to get to know each other, and this is going to require a lot of trust. But I'm going to ask that you put your full faith in this process, because when you do, your performance in kicking will go way, way up. Check out the link in the description below. We've got two things. One is a free newsletter to keep you up to date on all the information that's going to help you learn how to swim. And we're also pre-selling a Learn to Swim 101 course, 25% off now. Take a look in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to our page, like our video, click the little bell. That way you get notified every single time we put out a new video that'll help you learn how to swim. See you guys at the next one.